Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to restrict someone on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! By restricting an account on Instagram, you're limiting their access to your profile. This means they don't have the same opportunities to interact with you compared to a user that is not restricted on your profile. So, how to do it? If you want to restrict someone from your Instagram? So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now, you can choose account that you want to restrict. As example, I will choose this account. I will choose this account. You can tap on profile, on this account profile. You can go through their profile. Now, you can tap on the up right corner on the three dots here. You'll see there is an option restrict. You can tap on that. So, when you restrict this account, you will get limit unwanted interaction without having to block or unfollow someone. You'll control whether others can see their new comments on your post, and they won't see when you've read messages, and their chat will be removed from your chat list, but you can still search for it. You can tap on restrict account, and now when you add someone or when you restrict someone from your Instagram, you can see the list on your profile. By tap on your profile here, tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down and you'll see this restricted. You can tap on here. So when you restrict someone on Instagram, Instagram won't tell them if you restrict them. Only you and the person you restrict will see their new comments on your post. They won't see when you're online or when you've read their messages. You can tap on continue. So here's the list account that you just restrict. You can add more account you want to restrict by tap on search here, and you can search for the account that you want to restrict. As example, like this, you can just tap on restrict. So there you will get limit interactions between you and this account. So that is how to restrict someone from your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.